Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I am excited to share with you guys the very first time. I didn't even practice this before I came on here and did it. I have to admit that I was very nervous in the beginning. I was like, oh my gosh, shaky. I didn't think I was gonna figure it out, but the more I did it, the more comfortable I got with this method. So yeah, y'all, watch this video and let me know, because I'm open to criticism. Let me know if I did this the right way, if there's a better, easier way to achieve this look. Of course I could just throw on a wig, you know what I mean? But if I just really wanted to try the crochet method for this look today. All right, so hopefully you guys learned something new today from watching this video, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see exactly what I did to achieve this look, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair. I did go in and deep condition and also moisturize my hair and sealed it with my Jamaican black castor oil. And I'm going to apply this mesh wig cap. You don't have to do this, but I just like to do this as an extra precaution to protect my hair for this style. Next, I'm going to take this hair from Trendy Tresses, and it is the Island Curls in 18 inches, and it's in the color 1B33. I found this hair to be very soft. It did frizz up a little bit, but not too much. Okay, and here I'm just showing you the color of the hair. See my description box for all the details on this company and also this hair, and you can click the link to purchase this hair. Now this is 18 inches. I thought that I was a bit too long, so I did go ahead and cut this hair in half. Just letting you know, I did end up using about 2.5 packs of hair for this. Okay, now I'm just going to separate the hair. The back I'm gonna do bigger than the front. So I put the crochet hook through my hair and also the wig cap. Okay, and then I put the hair through that latch. I close the latch and then I pull it through. And now I am going to put both ends of the hair through that hole. Okay, and then I'm gonna double tie it just to secure it. I think I did it 2 or 3 times. You could do it 2 or 3 or 4, how many times you feel comfortable and secure. You could do that, then pull it through and tighten it. At this point I'm like, okay, I think I can do this. I'm a little bit nervous, but I was like, all right, I think I can do this. Okay, now some people like to just crochet the hair through the wig net cap, whatever you want to call it, but to secure it even more, I like to go through my hair and the wig cap. Okay, and then I'm just going to do that all over again. And I'm not gonna do it too close to the section that I already did it, because I don't want it to be too voluptuous and too full. But that's to own this discretion. See here, I made a mistake. You can see the hair got kind of tangled up, but once I pulled it through, okay, it worked out. I was able to fix it. All right, and with the back, just letting you know, I do cover the wig band, if that makes sense. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. It got easier to do in the middle and the front part of my hair. The back was a little struggle because I couldn't see what I was doing, and you know, I wasn't used to this method, so I got the hang of it by the time I got like to the middle part of my head. Now, just letting you know, I do leave my edges out. I don't like pulling my edges in any styles that I do. I usually leave them out, and then I'll tame the edges with like edge control or something. I just don't like playing with my edges because I don't want it to fall out or get any thinner than they already are, okay? So you'll see I put the wig cap behind the edges. So that's how I protect my edges, by just leaving them alone, honestly. Then now I'm just going to cut the net where I want the part to be. All right, this is very important because I want this to look natural. Okay, I don't want it to look like I have crochet or something that looks like a wig. So yeah, cut the net. And then here I'm going to do the a different method. It's the same method basically. I'm going to pull the hair through that latch hook, and then instead of pulling both ends, I'm just going to take one end and pull it through the hole. This gives the what do you call that, invisible part look, okay, the knotless look. And up in the front, I do like to section the hair a little smaller. Okay, I feel like the smaller it is at the front anyway, the more natural looking it is. So take your time, give yourself time, and make sure you have enough time for the front so that you take extra care to make it look as natural as possible. Again, I just pulled one section of the hair through the loop instead of both. And I'm trying to get as close to my part as possible. I just like the way that looks a lot better. Pulling one piece of hair instead of both again. This time I tied it twice. You don't have to do that. I did it once or twice, depending on how I felt.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me.
Now I'm going to take my mousse. You can get any mousse that you have, like anything that helps prevent frizz. I'm going to take my mousse and just put that and distribute that in the hair to help tame the frizz. And I'm going to go in and frame my face and cut, you know, into layers so that it can fit my face shape. And also going to create bangs at the front. And this is what the back is looking like. I'm loving the color. So after I did my makeup and also laid my edges, this is what the hair is looking like. And I was just kind of blown away. Like, I did it. I was so proud of myself, y'all. I was so proud of myself. And like I always say, if I can do it, if I can figure this out, anybody can. Really, it's all trial and error. I'm already thinking about my next time doing this style and what I do to improve it. But yeah, I love it. This hair was so like nice and soft. It didn't really get too frizzy on me. I will give you an update in about a week or two just to let you know how this holds up. I plan to leave this in for about a week or two. This was Trendy Tresses. Again, thank you for sending me this hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and again, see my description box for all the details for this hair, and let me know in the comment section if you like this method or what else I could do to improve how I install the braidless crochet. Okay, thank you so much. Until next time, bye.